we got a code orange for a wind alert here in Benidorm. I'm heading right now towards the beach. It's really getting insane right now. Gotta be a bit careful. Don't walk underneath those palm trees right now. Loads could fall off. Oh, you can see the grey clouds and rain coming in. That was announced for this afternoon. Look at those massive waves in the distance. Has definitely been a long while since I've seen those. Let's quickly explore that area. We can see the red flag out on the beach, but there's no lifeguard or anything. I believe that one has already went home. Nobody is hopefully that insane to have a swim with this weather. Wow, right on this point, the wind isn't that insane as expected. Really glad to. As you can see on there, on the water sport platform, how huge the waves are currently. Yeah, it's getting soaked if you were on there. Hardly anyone out here today. Well, weather has been quite fine. It's around 19, almost 20 degrees. It's lovely out. Except for the afternoon, then it just started out of nowhere. You can see it as well coming. This area is quite clear still. But back there, that is where the storm is coming from. So we're heading this way because I want to check how many people are out there on the bars, on the terraces still, or maybe they have moved already inside. And I want to get the view from right there of the whole Levante Beach. Not that many folks out anymore. If it's inside, it's completely packed. I'm not that busy on this one, the Stag and Pheasant. And the wild duck, it is just empty. What a view always. I love this side from Benidorm to see this. Not that much of this, but yeah, that's due to the weather. It has been quite windy lately, but not that much as right now. And don't worry if you're coming here. And it is really beach weather. They have cleaned it already then, but right now it ain't necessary. What a massive waves. And storm coming towards Benidorm now. Oh wow. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna check out the rest of the Levante Beach, walk along, go to the shoreline over there. Not that close towards the water. It's really coming far right now, as you can see on the beach. Not in the mood to get some wet shoes, because tomorrow, well, I thought I was escaping the weather. Well, that looks horrible. I thought I was escaping the weather. I'm going towards Seville tomorrow for, I believe, 3 days. 3 nights or so. Yeah, so first going to Valencia, and then from Valencia we're going to fly towards Seville. That was cheaper than driving there. I know flight prices really are insane right now. You could get anywhere for just a tenner or so. So yeah, I'm going towards Seville tomorrow, so expect a few videos from there, but it's probably lots of rain. Even got a warning already of the river that's going through Seville, that it could overflow some areas, so don't know about that. Yesterday I didn't do a video on the channel. I was in Altea, next door, grabbing some bites, some snacks and everything, but the weather was really not the best. So didn't go for a video there. I mean, it should stay fun, right, the videos to watch, if there isn't anything to show. That's just boring. Right on there, Café Roman. Really packed up with people inside. You can easily watch the horrible weather from inside. Same goes for Bikini Beach Bar. Another one of those bars with glass doors in front of it, to make sure people are covered in winter and just can enjoy their meal and their time here in Benidorm, whatever the weather might do. Could be a hit or miss these days, really is. Last few days were quite fine, and today again, yeah, you see. I guess he's done surfing right now. Or maybe he's going for it. Way too cold right now, the water temperature for me. And as well, you guys, please don't forget, do hit that like, it does help a lot with my videos, and do subscribe for more Benidorm. What is the Seville trip that's coming up? Got the cows over there, umbrellas over their heads. And they are secured to the ground as well, so they don't run off. Beach Terrace, Little Bob's, Lazy Cow, all the bars are open, but not that busy some. Got the Soul Beach. Gas bar, always very popular with people having a coffee or something in the afternoon. It's closed during the evenings because the weather's really cold then. And on the opposite, yeah, all the water that has drained, that went away for the last few days, is back again. So you can see all the way up until here. Oh, and they have trimmed the palm tree. Aw, that's a shame. There are quite some people going out for a walk today, even in this weather. Well, it's still not raining, so I'm really glad for that. You can still see a little bit of sun in the distance. To remind you, there is hope for some nice weather. I believe tomorrow I got some wind as well, and then it should be normal again. Maybe some showers here and there. But nothing extreme or anything is in the forecast, I believe. This is just it. Empty bars which are open. Restaurants. Everyone went inside. They just took their drinks and grabbed the seat inside. We are nearly at the Tiki beach, where I'm really curious how many people would still be out there, because that bar doesn't close up its front area, only a little bit on the side, and it is the most popular one usually on Benidorm, on the Levante Beach. Jungle bar. One party is still okay in there, and having a drink, but they do have sheltered areas on the right. Then we got this bit where all the water is as well coming towards here. So for people from the UK, this might seem normal, this wind. Not that insane or anything, they probably have a lot more as well. But we out here in the Mediterranean area, especially Benidorm, because it is quite protected because of the mountain range over there and on our right as well. We don't have that many extreme weather out here, so for us it's really special that this is happening. And it doesn't fit right with the palm trees, does it? Okay, but we got the Tiki beach on the other side. Seemed like everyone went inside a small tent they have up there. But they are still open. Football matches on, some staff is doing some cleaning work because it's pretty quiet. Perfect chance to do that. Hope for it stays dry, because I hate it when it rains immediately after you wash your windows. Caiman bar, as well, everyone is inside. Here we got those light poles that are reinstalling on Levante Beach, and they're still working on it, even with this wind warning. Some massive waves we got today. So yeah, that was it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, hit that like, do subscribe. Hope to see you next time.